Hey guys, this is Lo, the Polished Edge. I'm in a mobile sharpening van and we are on our way to the DC restaurant by Darren, who's a 1-star Michelin chef, which is pretty awesome. So this will be the first inaugural knife sharpening done from this mobile setup. And gotta say, pretty excited. There it is. Now I just gotta look for parking. "17 knives." I got my work cut out for me. Okay, let's start. Yeah. I hope that was as interesting, exciting, and fun for you as it was for me. Probably not, because I didn't exactly capture everything on footage. So you'll have to take my word for it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, stay safe and stay sharp.